Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to take control of your crypto and move it from Robinhood to a secure Ledger hardware wallet in 2025, you're in the right place. Robinhood is great for trading, but keeping your assets on a hardware wallet like Ledger adds an extra layer of security against hacks and online threats. Today, I'll guide you through the entire process step by step, so you can do this confidently and quickly. First things first, before we dive in, make sure you have a few essentials ready. You'll need your Robinhood account with some crypto in it, your Ledger device fully set up, and the Ledger Live app installed on your computer or phone. Also, double-check that your Ledger is connected and unlocked, safety first. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app on your device and log into your account. Navigate to the crypto section and select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Step 2. Once you've selected your crypto, look for the Transfer or Withdraw option. This might be under a menu like Send or Move Funds. Tap on it to proceed. Step 3. Now, switch over to your Ledger device. Open the Ledger Live app and connect your device. Go to the Accounts tab, select the wallet you want to receive the crypto, and copy the wallet address. Make sure it's the correct one. Double check to avoid any mistakes. Step 4. Back in Robinhood, paste the Ledger wallet address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount you want to transfer, review the fees, which can vary based on the network, and hit Confirm. You'll likely need to verify this with two-factor authentication for security. Step 5. Sit back and wait. Transfers can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on the blockchain network. Once it's done, check your Ledger Live app to confirm the crypto has arrived. A quick word of caution. Always verify addresses to prevent sending funds to the wrong place, and be aware of any network fees that might eat into your transfer. If you're new to this, test with a small amount first. There you have it. Your crypto is now safer in your Ledger wallet. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.